Welcome back to Auto World. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the future of SUVs with Toyota's latest electric marvel, the 2025 Toyota bZ5X. This all-electric SUV is here to redefine performance, sustainability, and style. Let's jump right in. The bZ5X is Toyota's boldest step yet in their Beyond Zero lineup. Designed to stand out, it features sharp lines, a muscular stance, and an aerodynamic silhouette. From the futuristic LED headlights to the striking grille-less front end, this SUV screams modernity. And check out those 21-inch alloy wheels and the sculpted rear with sleek LED taillights. Toyota has truly embraced innovation here. Step inside the bZ5X, and you're greeted by a cabin that feels like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. A massive 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system takes center stage, seamlessly integrating navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls. The minimalist dashboard, digital instrument cluster, and ambient lighting create a clean, futuristic vibe. And with a panoramic glass roof, the cabin feels open and airy, perfect for long drives. Under the hood, or should we say, under the floor, the bZ5X is powered by Toyota's cutting-edge ETNGA platform. Equipped with dual motors, this all-wheel drive SUV delivers 300 horsepower and can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.5 seconds. It's powered by a 100 kWh battery, giving you an impressive range of up to 350 miles on a single charge. Plus, with fast charging capabilities, you can recharge up to 80% in just 30 minutes. Safety is always a priority with Toyota, and the bZ5X is no exception. It comes packed with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and more. Toyota's Beyond Zero philosophy extends beyond zero emissions. The bZ5X features eco-friendly materials in its interior, making it not just an EV, but a truly sustainable vehicle. The 2025 Toyota bZ5X combines futuristic design, exceptional performance, and Toyota's legendary reliability into one stunning package. Whether you're an EV enthusiast or just looking for your next family SUV, the bZ5X is sure to impress. That's all for today's review of the 2025 Toyota bZ5X. What do you think of Toyota's latest electric SUV? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to Auto World for more exciting automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.